Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
DIY orange peel powder at home. Take one orange and peel it. Collect orange peel. Subscribe my channel must. Put it into sun for 2 days. When it completely dry, like this. So put these orange peel in mixie jar. Blend goodly. Orange peel powder is ready. Wash your face daily with this powder. For brightening your skin texture, just take a half teaspoon of this powder and half teaspoon water. Apply into your skin. Apply with gentle hand. Apply for 2 minutes and then wash off. Do this for 1 month for whitening skin and see the results.